Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Skelementor, a free Elementor resource site. If you're building websites with Elementor, this platform offers a library of ready-made components you can copy and paste directly into your designs, saving you hours of work. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to skelementor.com. Once the site loads, you'll see their component library displayed on the homepage. You can browse through the available components by simply scrolling down the page, or if you prefer a more organized approach, use the categories in the sidebar to narrow down your choices. These categories help you quickly find exactly what you're looking for, whether it's headers, footers, pricing tables, or other design elements. If you have something specific in mind, use the search bar or filters at the top of the page. This feature is incredibly handy when you need a particular type of Elementor component and don't want to scroll through everything manually. Just type in keywords related to what you need, and the site will show you relevant results instantly. Once you've found a component that catches your eye, click on it to preview its design and see more details. This preview gives you a closer look at how the component is structured and styled, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your project. Take your time here to ensure it matches your vision before moving forward. When you're satisfied with your choice, click the Copy button. This action copies the selected component to your clipboard, making it ready to paste into your Elementor project. It's a simple one-click process that makes transferring designs seamless and efficient. Now open your WordPress site and navigate to the page you want to edit with Elementor. This could be a new page you're building or an existing one you want to enhance with the component you just copied. Once you're on the correct page, click Edit with Elementor to launch the Elementor Page Builder interface. And there you have it, you've successfully accessed and copied a free Elementor component from Skelementor that you can now paste into your WordPress page. This tool streamlines your design workflow by giving you professional components without starting from scratch. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.